Hello everyone, I'm Sam Reichert. You're watching DeSotoCountyNewsroom.com and this 7-day forecast brought to you by Dreammaker Realty. As you can see, their logo below me here, right below the desk with the notes that I'm going to have to refer to. This is a long forecast, folks, and this is one that's very tricky as far as timing is concerned for tomorrow. I'll start it out by saying this. The National Weather Service has issued an ice storm warning for the area beginning overnight tonight at midnight and extending through midnight on Thursday night. An ice storm warning in effect for DeSoto and Tunica counties. A winter storm watch in effect for Marshall and Tate counties. So here we go. The national map shows cold front to the north and west of us. It's slowed down as expected, and we expect it to slow down even more so during the day today. By this time tomorrow, it should be moving right through the metro area, and if it moves on through, things could get critical. If it stops right on top of us, then maybe not so bad, but I'm going to try to break it down for you and tell you what I think will happen. Here's the national map features over the last 12 hours, and we'll put those in motion for you, and that front was really moving along until it got to Arkansas, and something there in Arkansas just kind of stalled that front out, and it's moving very, very slowly. Snow behind the front, rain in front of the front, but what we expect to develop later today and then early tomorrow morning is freezing rain at the surface as that cold air dives under the warm air that's in place here. The rain falls and then it freezes on contact when it hits surfaces, possibly as early as 8 or 9 o'clock tomorrow morning in our area. Here's the current radar at 4:56, almost 5 a.m. today. Rain showers to the east of us. We had about 13/100ths of an inch of rain in my gauge over the last few hours, but most of that rain is out of here. I think we'll see a lull in the rain activity throughout a good portion of today, but it will come back. It will come back with a vengeance overnight tonight. Here's an important graphic that I prepared for you. The purple area which includes Marshall County and Tate County, that's a winter storm watch that goes into effect at midnight tonight. That means conditions are right for winter type weather to occur. The gray area that includes DeSoto, Tunica, and Shelby County, that's an ice storm warning area. That means that the National Weather Service believes an ice storm is imminent in our area. Purple area back in Arkansas is a winter storm watch. They're going to get more of a sleet snow event right here along the Mississippi River, though it could get really, really interesting tomorrow morning. Here's the Winter Storm Severity Index, and you see purple on this map. That's a rare extreme category for winter storm impacts. You can see we're right in a yellow area, which is moderate, and that would equate to a BMHI of a 3 on my scale. Any further movement of that to the south and to the east could change our conditions dramatically. So let's go to the 7-day forecast, and I'll talk about it as we go along. This is going to be a rather long dissertation, by the way. High today 60 with a 60% chance of showers throughout the day today. Winds from the south 10 to 15 miles an hour. Low tonight 32. So by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, temperature should be right around that freezing mark. We could see a little bit of icing on power lines and communication lines then, but I've been told that the critical number for icing on power and communication lines is about 28 or 29 degrees, which that should not occur until about noontime or so. And another critical factor is how heavy will the rain be as it falls. If it's falling really heavy, then a lot of times it washes the rain off of those lines before it has a chance to freeze. So two critical factors that I'm not really certain about right now. I'm not really confident as to when the freezing temperatures are going to arrive. Most of the models are saying now 6 or 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. 1 or 2 are saying 10 or 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. But either way, I think we're going to see icing on communication and power lines during the day tomorrow. I think we'll see some problems with bridges. And if this changes over to sleet in the afternoon, which it could, then that would impact the roads more severely. 100% chance of all that happening on Thursday. High temperature around freezing, dropping into the upper 20s, I think, afternoon to a low of 24 degrees overnight. Mostly cloudy to partly sunny Friday with a high temperature of 32 degrees, low of 18. Saturday, sunny, high temperature 38. Sunday, mostly sunny, high temperature 42. Monday, we're going to have mostly sunny skies with a high temperature of 42 also. And then on Tuesday, 47 will be your high temperature. You need to stay tuned, folks, because it's extremely difficult here in the Mid-South to predict frozen precipitation because the temperatures are always so marginal, and that Arctic air seems like it wants to get here just a little bit too late. I think it's going to get here in time tomorrow. I'm Sam Reichert. Thanks for watching.